that. Why are we here?
Well, hi, I'm Grania and I'm from Arthritis Ireland. So I'm here representing people living with arthritis, living with osteoarthritis. I think the importance of this can't be underestimated, because I think for too long osteoarthritis has been seen as it's seen as a lesser disease to maybe some of the other forms of arthritis. And time again, people living with osteoarthritis come to me and saying, "Why aren't you doing more? Why isn't more happening in the area of osteoarthritis? You know, we need action, we need solutions." And I think this is where it's happening in Thessaloniki over the next few days. It's bringing together researchers, the patient community, industry. So it's all of the key players, all of the stakeholders in one room, really working to affect change for people living with osteoarthritis. So that's why I'm here.
Yeah, and you're not the only representative here, and there's someone else here, and apparently you know each other quite well.
Yes, and we usually meet somewhere in Europe. This time we meet in Thessaloniki, my hometown. So hello, I'm Nadia Maliou. I represent the Hellenic League Against Rheumatism, Eleana, and this is the first to have you in my hometown. We represent over 10,000 patients in Greece with RMDs, yeah. And the funny thing is that many of them have osteoarthritis, primary or secondary. Especially the ones having secondary osteoarthritis, normally they don't even mention it. This is to show how much left aside disease osteoarthritis is, and to figure that this is a disease that's quite debilitating, that's leading up to severe pain and disability. And we don't talk too much about osteoarthritis, and not too many things are being done or wasn't being done up until recently. So this is very, very nice that we are here in the network today and for the upcoming days to participate in this meeting, in this international symposium, with all these nice people talking about what's new, what's being done for the future. And I'm so excited to be here to take forth the perspective of patients. So
you're not only here, let's say, as a participant just being present. I think you're also part of the program, which I think is also important, that if we have different types of organizations, people present, that they are not just classified as researchers do a talk, the others just listen. So you're an active participant tomorrow. I think you have a talk.
Yes,
I did a brief, let's say, not a real spoiler, because people, of course,
I'm going to give you the brief spoiler of my talk. So, what do OA patients want? So, I'm going to focus. Of course, this is an OA International Symposium, so everybody is going to be talking about what OA is. So I'm not going to be talking about that, because everybody is going to be saying, and they have thoroughly explained what is osteoarthritis in a molecular level, in a chemical level, about treatments, therapies and stuff. So I'm going to be focusing on challenges that patients face. I'm going to present the Choose Include project. This is a project that we did in a collaboration between Eleana, Greece, Cyprus, Malta, and the University of Thessaloniki. So it's quite interesting, and the outcomes were very interesting. And we came up with an mHealth application. That's wow, because it was addressed to people like 55 and more. So it's not a common thing, but we did well. And I'm going to give you some data from the International Osteoarthritis Patient Voice Panel. So that's it. I'm not going to say any more. Maybe you will fill everyone in after the symposium.
Sounds like a great plan.
Why not? And it's great that I'm part of this. Thank you.
Well, thank you for being here, and hope that you can put in a lot of your expertise and experiences and know-how to help all of us move ahead. Thank you.
Yeah.
Right. I certainly enjoy the face-to-face meetings because I get to see people in the context of what we're doing. And so you get really better interactions with everybody that's here.
Wow. Excellent. So, hello. So, I've just met up with these three ladies, part of our cost action. And interestingly enough, this is their first face-to-face meeting of our cost action. So, would you be so kind to share a bit of your take on the first hours of the program? Is it something like you expected? What are the things that come to notice? So feel free to put in your... yes.
I felt really welcomed by the committee, by the society on its own. And for my expectations, for example, it was really nice to see how everyone that is here really wants to work together and really help to find a better way to help patients with osteoarthritis. So it's really meeting and surpassing my expectations.
Oh, nice.
I was very surprised to hear that it's almost 300 participants of this cost action, and I can't wait to see it growing through the years because we are only on the second year. So this is a great opportunity to connect to very experts in the field, especially for me that I am starting my lab just now. So these connections are going to be extremely important during the next years. And also to see old friends around. So yeah, so far it's been great.
Ah, thank you.
I agree. For me, it's also meeting new friends and meeting new colleagues. And I think it's nice that there's so many people from all around the world, basically, or EU, and it's or EU located. And it's very nice that there's also patient groups here and patients themselves. I think it's nice to get that feedback and to see that. Looking forward to it.
Well, excellent. Well, ladies, thank you. And I would say enjoy the lunch and the opportunity to talk to a variety of our members. Have a great day.